Stop selling on Etsy. I made $9,597 in 30 days doing this. No followers, no paid ads, just simple PDFs. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, step by step, so you can copy the process and stop relying on platforms that are killing your results. If you've been uploading PDFs and getting zero sales, it's probably not your product. You're most likely selling on the wrong platform. Here's what most beginners get wrong. They're trying to sell great products on platforms that don't bring them any buyers. That's like opening a restaurant in the middle of the desert and hoping customers magically show up. So where should you actually sell your digital products? Wait, before I show you the platform I'm using and exactly how it works, you need to understand this. There are 4 rules to consider when choosing the best website to sell digital products. Rule number 1, it has to be easy for total beginners. You should be able to upload your file, set a price, hit publish, and be done. No complicated tech, no coding, no headaches. Rule number 2, it has to have built-in buyer traffic. People should already be searching there every single day with their credit cards out, ready to buy. You shouldn't have to dance on TikTok just to get one click. Rule number 3, it has to let you scale without punishing you. You should be able to upload 10, 20, 50 different PDFs without paying a new fee every single time or hitting weird limits. The more you create, the more you should be rewarded. And rule number 4, fair fees and simple payouts. No crazy listing fees. No weird payout thresholds, no monthly subscription just to exist on the platform, no surprise charges that quietly destroy your profit. Now, a lot of videos on YouTube will tell you to sell on Gumroad, PayHip, or Etsy. These platforms are not evil, but here's the reality if you're starting from zero. Gumroad and PayHip are what I call the social trap. They give you a nice checkout page, but they don't give you buyers. You have to bring all the traffic yourself. YouTube, TikTok, email lists, whatever. If you don't have an audience, your store is basically sitting alone in the desert. Then there's Etsy, the fee trap. Yes, Etsy has visitors, but you're competing against an ocean of similar products. You pay to list, you pay when you sell, and if you want real visibility, you often end up paying for ads too. If you don't have enough capital to keep paying fees and ads, you're pretty much dead in the water. These platforms can work if you already have a following or you're ready to grind on social media every day. But if you're like most people watching this, no big audience, a full-time job, limited time, you need something better. You need a platform that already has traffic built in. So I moved my PDFs to a place where millions of buyers are already searching every single day. And that's where this $9,597 a month came from. That platform is Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Most people think KDP is only for real authors writing 300-page novels, but that's not true at all. KDP is actually perfect for a very specific type of PDF. Planners, logbooks, workbooks, activity books, and yes, coloring books. And that's where most of my $9,597 in 30 days came from. Simple, AI-assisted coloring books published through KDP. No Etsy, no Shopify, no complicated funnel, just smart PDFs plugged into Amazon's traffic. So let's slow this down and break it all the way down, step by step. Here's how Amazon KDP works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. You create a PDF that functions like a book, meaning it has pages people can flip through, print, or use as an activity. That could be a coloring book, a gratitude journal, a budget planner, a fitness tracker, or a kid's activity book. Step 2, you upload that PDF to KDP. You give it a title, you write a description, you choose a few categories, and you set your price. It's basically like filling out a form. Step 3, once you hit publish, Amazon lists your product on the main Amazon website, right next to all the other books and coloring books. Your book gets its own product page, just like any other Amazon product. Step 4. When someone goes to Amazon and types in something like adult coloring book for stress relief or cute animal coloring book for kids, your book has a chance to show up in those search results. You're not building your own website. You're not trying to figure out Shopify. You're not begging for traffic on social media. You're simply putting your product where the traffic already is, on Amazon. So what type of PDFs actually work best on KDP? You can absolutely publish planners, journals, trackers, and logbooks, and those can all do well. But in this video, I want to focus on the one type that's been performing the best for me personally. That is coloring books. If you saw my last video, you know I've been using AI to help create unique coloring pages. KDP is the platform that turns those AI-assisted pages into real passive income. Why are coloring books so powerful on Amazon? First, demand. Adult coloring books are huge on Amazon. People buy them for stress relief, anxiety, mindfulness, relaxation, creative breaks at work, homework, and as gifts. There are buyers searching for these every single day. Second, they're visual. A strong cover and a clear theme instantly grab attention in the search results. When someone scrolls and sees a bold, beautiful coloring book cover that matches exactly what they typed in, your click-through rate shoots up. Third, they're repeatable. Once you build a workflow for creating one good coloring book, it becomes much easier to create book number 2, 3, and 4 in similar themes. That's how this turns into a real income stream, not just a one-time project. So what actually makes a profitable coloring book on KDP? You want 3 things. Number 1, a clear theme, not just random designs. A theme like mandala coloring for stress relief, cozy cottage scenes, kawaii food doodles, or motivational quotes to color. When the theme is clear, the buyer immediately knows if it's for them. Number 2, a specific audience. Ask yourself, who is this book really for? Busy moms, college students, seniors, teen girls, truck drivers on long routes, people who love nature? The more specific you get, the easier it is to write a title and description that connect. Number 3, enough content. I like the sweet spot of around 50 to 100 pages. That feels like a real complete book and makes the buyer feel like they're getting serious value, not just a thin pamphlet. And here's the best part. Because it's structured like a real book, KDP loves it. You're not trying to hack Amazon. You're using the platform exactly how it was designed to be used. Now, let's talk about how to research profitable coloring book ideas so you're not guessing. Go to Amazon and type in adult coloring book. Scroll through the results and especially look at the best sellers. You'll see a bunch of common themes. Pay attention to 3 things when you scroll. Number 1, books with a lot of reviews. If a coloring book has hundreds or thousands of reviews, that tells you there is real, proven demand in that niche. Number 2, more than one book in that theme doing well. If you see several cat coloring books or anxiety relief mandala books all ranking well, that means it's a real niche, not just a one-hit wonder. Number 3, gaps. Ask yourself, who is not being served here? Maybe there are tons of stress relief books, but not many specifically for busy professionals. Or lots of mandala books, but not many simple beginner-friendly ones. Or plenty of animal books, but not many focused only on ocean animals for kids. That's where you come in. You don't copy what's already there. You take what's clearly working and then twist it slightly for a different angle or a more specific audience. Next, how do you actually create the coloring pages, especially if you're not a designer? The good news is, coloring books are about clean black and white line art, not complex full-color artwork. You can use AI tools to generate base designs, then clean them up and format them into pages. Or you can use pre-made templates and customize them to fit your theme. Focus on 3 things. Consistent style across all pages so the book feels cohesive. Dark, clear lines that print well so the buyer doesn't get a faded mess. And avoiding super tiny, super detailed areas that are annoying to color. Once you've created your 50 to 100 pages, you combine them into a single PDF. That PDF becomes the interior file of your book. Once you've filled everything out and hit publish, Amazon reviews your book. After it's approved, your coloring book appears live on Amazon with its own product page, ready for anyone in the world to buy. This is where the passive income part kicks in. You do the hard work once. Research, create, upload. After that, Amazon's search and recommendation system continues to show your book to new buyers day after day. I'm still getting sales from books I uploaded months ago. I'm not posting on social media every day. I'm not running complicated ad campaigns. And when you stack multiple books, 5, 10, 20 different coloring books, that's when the income starts to feel very real. If you've been struggling to sell PDFs on Etsy or other sites, this is the move. Focus on a strong coloring book idea. Use Amazon KDP as your main platform and let Amazon's traffic work for you instead of fighting Etsy's algorithm. If you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial where I start from a blank idea, use AI to generate all the coloring pages, and then publish the entire book on KDP in real time, type KDP in the comments so I know to make that next. And if this video helped you, tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. So now you've seen it. The PDF niche works, and Amazon KDP is one of the best platforms to make it work. $9,597 in 30 days is proof of that. But that's only one half of the formula. The other half is how you present and deliver your PDFs so they stand out, look premium, and keep selling on autopilot. That's where my automated flipbook system comes in. By turning those same PDFs into interactive automated products, I added another $2,847 in just 28 days. If you want the complete picture, tap this video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and see you there.